Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable for tracking LinkedIn connection requests, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Airtable and create a new base. Name your base LinkedIn connection requests. In your base, create a single line text field titled name. Create another single line text field titled LinkedIn profile URL. Add a date field called request date. Select the grid view for a clear overview of your connection requests. For organization, sort your entries by request date. Filter your connections based on the status field. This will help you track pending or declined requests efficiently. Next, populate your table with existing connection requests. Input the name and LinkedIn profile URL for each connection. Update the request date to reflect when you sent the request. Select the appropriate status for each connection. As you receive updates, make sure to adjust the status field accordingly. You can also add notes about each connection to provide context. Consider creating a calendar view for better date tracking. In the view options, select calendar and link it to the request date field. This will show you upcoming follow-ups and deadlines. Remember to review your table regularly. This will help you stay on top of connection requests and follow-ups. Finally, customize your Airtable view to suit your needs. You can add additional fields or views as necessary. With these steps, you will effectively track and manage your LinkedIn connection requests in Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.